Lowo osebenza ophikweni lokuthengwa kwempahla eSAA Technical uAdvocate Nontsasa Memela utshele iKhomishana ephenya izinsolo zokugwamandwa kwamandla oMbuso ukuthi ngenkathi efika eSAA kwakugcwele iziNkampani zabelungu zodwa kungekho neyodwa eyabamnyama. Ulandise nangempi yezomthetho phakathi kwakhe nalenkampani yezindiza.
When I joined a procurement site was sitting at level 6, which is the worst for a state-owned company.
Memela uqale wedlulisa isicelo esikhethekile kusihlalo weKhomishana.
My lawyer is not available. She will be in Cape Town until Monday. So I'm unrepresented right now. So I was going to request the chairperson to protect my rights, guide me, and so that maybe I don't end up implicating myself without even realizing.
Ubeselandisa isigcawu ngokuxoshwa kwakhe ngo-2018 kanye nempi yezomthetho eyagcina iqhubeka phakathi kwakhe neSAA.
I went to the CCMA and applied for arbitration, and I won the case on the 18th of October 2019.
Ulandise iKhomishana ngengqinamba ahlangana nazo ngenkathi efika eSAA Technical.
When I took over SAT as the HOD procurement, there was no BEE suppliers in our database. They were buying directly from the multinational companies, and if it was the local company, it all was white owned companies.
Memela wethula ubufakazi nje kulesiccawu yingoba ufakazi owumnikazi weSRS Aviation wamninda ifakazini bakhe kule Khomishana ethi uMemela waba nesandla ekuhlelweni kwemqulu yethenda eyadla amabhiliyoni amarandi neyagcina ikhishwa ngoNhlaba wango-2016. Isiccawu siyaqhubeka.